Hey folks, it's respiratory viral season. A lot of people are asking me about the newly approved RSV vaccine called Abrysvo. Let's talk about it. So RSV is a very common respiratory viral infection. Almost everybody would have had at least one RSV infection by the age of 2. It can cause complications in very young children. Then it can cause complications again later in life, generally in people over the age of 65, and particularly in people with underlying health conditions. So the first ever RSV vaccine was approved this past summer in Canada. That's called Arexvy, and it's available this RSV season for people who are 60 and over. It protects against lower respiratory tract RSV by 83% and protects against severe RSV by 94%. Very effective vaccine. But how do we protect those newborns who can also get severe RSV and die from RSV? Well, that's where Abrysvo comes in. So Abrysvo is approved for older adults as well, but it's also approved for newborn protection. We don't actually give the vaccine to those newborn children. We actually give it to the pregnant mother. So the mother gets the vaccine, develops the antibodies. The antibodies pass through the placenta to the baby, and when the baby is born, it's born already with those antibodies on board to protect it in those first few very vulnerable months of life. Protection from severe RSV in the first 3 months of life is 82%, and from severe RSV in the first 6 months of life is 69%. So we have two great vaccines if you're 60 or over to protect you from RSV, and that includes Arexvy and now Abrysvo. If you're pregnant, we also have a really good option for you to protect your newborn baby that's on the way in the form of Abrysvo. And so if you're in either of those categories, talk to your doctor.